Alright, guys. We got the shrimp in here. And now we... Oh, here he is. He's hidden. Oh, hold on. Ow. We got Herbie in here. He has had experience with the shrimp. He doesn't attack them. So, they should be fine. I hope he goes right near one soon so I can prove it. He's not going to. He's just chilling. But yeah, that's Herbie. Just gonna follow him around for a little bit. Nice. No, he didn't. Awesome. Go in the log. Go in the log. Oh, okay, whatever. Oh, is he in the log? He's in the log.
Really?
Yeah.